Sawadee Welcome to Speak Thai with me, Paul. I am now filming my video in Nachos Island, Greece. In this video, you will learn how to say probably in Thai, and that is คงจะ mid tone followed by low tone คงจะ and if you want to know how to use one ending Thai particle with คงจะ to say I guess probably, watch this video to the end. Hey guys, I am back. For a start, you normally use คงจะ to say something will probably happen, similar to saying probably or possibly in English. And to do so, you use the following pattern: subject followed by คงจะ and lastly followed by verb or adjective. For example, to say he will probably come late, เขาคงจะมาสายเขาคงจะมาสายเขา means he คงจะ means probably มา is a verb meaning to come and สาย is to be late. So เขาคงจะมาสายเขาคงจะมาสาย is saying he will probably come late. Another example, to say it will possibly rain today. วันนี้ฝนคงจะตกวันนี้ฝนคงจะตกวันนี้ means today ฝน refers to rain คงจะ means possibly and ตก is a verb meaning to fall. So วันนี้ฝนคงจะตกวันนี้ฝนคงจะตก is saying it will possibly rain today. Another example, to say by now he is probably already asleep. ป่านนี้เขาคงจะนอนแล้วป่านนี้เขาคงจะนอนแล้วป่านนี้ means by now. เขา means he. คงจะ means probably. นอน is a verb meaning to sleep and แล้ว means already. So ป่านนี้เขาคงจะนอนแล้วป่านนี้เขาคงจะนอนแล้ว he say by now he is probably already asleep. In the same way, to say it is probably to be like this. คงจะเป็นแบบนี้แหละคงจะเป็นแบบนี้แหละคงจะ means probably. เป็น is a Thai verb to be. แบบนี้ is to be like this. And แหละ is an ending Thai particle commonly used to add emphasis to your statement to make you sound like a real Thai. So คงจะเป็นแบบนี้แหละคงจะเป็นแบบนี้แหละ is saying it is probably to be like this. Next, do you know that you can also use คงจะ before an adjective? Yes, for example, to say the children are probably hungry. เด็กๆคงจะหิวเด็กๆคงจะหิวเด็กๆ refers to children คงจะ means probably and หิว is an adjective meaning to be hungry. So เด็กๆคงจะหิวเด็กๆคงจะหิว is saying the children are probably hungry. Another example, to say the weather will probably be good. อากาศคงจะดีอากาศคงจะดีอากาศ refers to weather คงจะ means probably and ดี is an adjective meaning to be good. So อากาศคงจะดีอากาศคงจะดี is saying the weather will probably be good. Tips for you. In spoken Thai, you may hear Thai people saying Kong instead of Kong Ja.
Yeah.
So for the previous example, to say the weather will probably be good, instead of saying อากาศคงจะดี you can also say อากาศคงดี อากาศคงดี
Oh.
Next, you can also use คงจะ with might to say something will probably not happen, similar to saying probably not or possibly not in English. And to do so, you use the following pattern. Subject followed by คงจะไม่ and lastly followed by verb or adjective. For example, to say he probably will not come. เขาคงจะไม่มา เขาคงจะไม่มา เขา means he. คงจะไม่ means probably not. And ma is a verb meaning to come. So เขาคงจะไม่มา เขาคงจะไม่มา is saying he probably will not come. Another example, to say she probably will not like it. เธอคงจะไม่ชอบ เธอคงจะไม่ชอบ เธอ means she. คงจะไม่ means probably not. And ชอบ is a verb meaning to like. So เธอคงจะไม่ชอบ เธอคงจะไม่ชอบ is saying she probably will not like it. Another example, to emphasize it is probably not that easy at all. มันคงจะไม่ง่ายขนาดนั้นหรอก มันคงจะไม่ง่ายขนาดนั้นหรอก มัน means it. คงจะไม่ means probably not. ง่าย is an adjective meaning to be easy. ขนาดนั้น is to that extent, and หรอก is used here with might to emphasize not at all. So มันคงจะไม่ง่ายขนาดนั้นหรอก มันคงจะไม่ง่ายขนาดนั้นหรอก is say it is probably not that easy at all. In the same way, to emphasize he is probably not angry at all. เขาคงจะไม่โกรธหรอก เขาคงจะไม่โกรธหรอก เขา means he. คงจะไม่ means probably not. โกรธ is an adjective meaning to be angry, and หรอก is used here with might to emphasize not at all. So เขาคงจะไม่โกรธหรอก เขาคงจะไม่โกรธหรอก is saying he is probably not angry at all. Lastly, to sound like a real Thai, you can use one ending Thai particle with คงจะ or คงจะไม่ to say I guess something will probably happen or not happen, and that is มั้ง high tone มั้ง For example, to say he will probably come late, instead of saying เขาคงจะมาสาย you can also say he will probably come late I guess. เขาคงจะมาสายมั้ง เขาคงจะมาสายมั้ง Another example, to say the food is probably not delicious, instead of saying อาหารคงจะไม่อร่อย you can also say the food is probably not delicious I guess. อาหารคงจะไม่อร่อยมั้ง อาหารคงจะไม่อร่อยมั้ง Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to use คงจะ to say something will probably happen, similar to saying probably or possibly in English. But before I go, how do you say in Thai? She probably forgot to drink coffee. Write your answer in the comments box. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can click on the link below. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, click like on the link below. If you find my video meaningful, click share, click subscribe if you wish to see more of my future videos. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. สวัสดีครับ